Welcome back to my channel.
Story 1.
Philip's dog had died. He had owned the dog for 4 years. He loved him so much. Philip was devastated. Philip's 6-year-old daughter loved the dog even more. "Oh no," said Philip. "This is going to break her heart." He did not want to tell his daughter such sad news. Philip decided to lie. He told his daughter that their dog ran away. The girl cried for hours. Philip took her to the dog pound to check if they had their dog. Their dog was obviously not there. However, there were a lot of other cute puppies. Philip and his daughter took a new pet home.
Story 2.
It was Scott's wedding day. He was very nervous. "I don't think I'm ready for this," he thought. His forehead and palms were sweaty. His heart was racing. He was having a panic attack. Scott saw the front door of the church was open. Nobody was looking at him. He decided to run away. As he stepped out of the church, he thought he was free. When he looked back, he noticed someone running after him. It was his bride's father. The old man was very fast. "Come back here," the father yelled. "I already paid for everything." Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Story 3.
Nelson got a new skateboard. He had only practiced for 2 days. All his friends already knew how to do tricks. Nelson was very impatient. He wanted to do tricks like everyone else. Nelson decided to try to jump down a set of stairs. "Don't do it," said his best friend. "It can't be that hard," Nelson insisted. "Tony Hawk makes it look easy." 1 minute later, Nelson was flying 3 feet above the ground. He felt like he was flying in slow motion. Suddenly, he slammed into the concrete. Everything went black. Nelson woke up in the hospital. He had 2 broken arms. Even worse, his 2 front teeth were now missing.
Story 4.
Martin is a long-distance ocean swimmer. He practices every morning in Hermosa Beach. One morning he ran into a great white shark. He only saw it for 1 second. Then it quickly bit his ribs. Martin was carried to shore by his friends. He lost a lot of blood. Luckily, Martin somehow survived. None of his organs were taken. As soon as he healed, Martin went back to swimming in the ocean. He was not scared of sharks. "Getting attacked by shark is rare," says Martin. "The ocean is their home. People are just guests. Plus, I probably just scared this shark."
Story 5.
Angie Walker was going on a date. Her makeup was done. Her outfit was perfect. There was still one big problem. Her hair looked terrible. She had already spent 1 hour brushing it. It still wasn't looking any better. Angie's date was picking her up in half an hour. "I don't know what to do," she screamed to her mother. "Try curling it," suggested her mother. Angie turned on the straightener and wrapped her hair around it. Suddenly, she smelled something nasty. Her hair was burning. As she pulled the straightener away, a big chunk of hair fell off. "This is a sign," cried Angie. "I'm canceling my date."
Story 6.
John Thompson finally got a girlfriend. She was very pretty. John wanted to do everything he could to keep her. On Monday, his girlfriend wanted to go jogging at 6 a.m. John wanted to sleep longer. He went with her anyway. On Tuesday, his girlfriend wanted to go shopping. John hated shopping. However, John still went with his girlfriends. On Wednesday, John's girlfriend wanted to have a picnic. The park gave John allergies. He still went, just to keep her happy. By Thursday, John was very tired. He got a call from his girlfriend. John decided not to answer. "I think I like my couch more than my girlfriend," he said. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Story 7.
Chris Miller hated his college life. He was very fat. All his classmates made fun of him. It was hard for him to lose weight. People wouldn't stop laughing at him. After he graduated, he finally had time to go to the gym. He worked out every day. Eventually, Chris was hired to be a swimsuit model. He was very successful. 15 years later, his college reunion arrived. No one was able to recognize him at first. He looked very fit and handsome. He couldn't recognize anyone else either. They had all gotten fat and ugly.
Story 8.
Jackie Davis had never owned a pet. She had always wanted one. She decided to go to the pet store. She bought a fish. This should be pretty easy to take care of, she thought. The fish died after 1 week. The water must have been dirty, Jackie said. She had only fed the fish once. Jackie went back to the pet store. She decided she was ready for something bigger. She bought a bird. The bird died after 2 weeks. He was probably sick, said Jackie. She ignored the empty food plate. Jackie visited the pet store one more time. She bought a dog. Within 1 week, the dog ran away. He was very hungry. He had run after a taco truck.
Story 9.
Jenny Carter wanted a new white dress. She saw the dress in a store window 4 months ago. The dress was very expensive. Jenny had been saving her money to buy it. She finally had enough money to afford it. Jenny cashed her check at the bank. Then she ran to the department store. She tried the dress on. It fit perfectly. Jenny paid for the dress. She decided to wear it out of the store. She stood at the sidewalk with a big smile on her face. A car quickly sped by. It ran over a big puddle. All the dirty water splashed onto Jenny's dress. The dress was now dirty. A woman from the store popped her head out. "We don't make refunds," she told Jenny loudly.
Story 10.
Henry Lopez took his son Mario to the zoo. Mario loved animals. Henry thought the zoo would make his son happy. Instead, Mario was very angry. "What's wrong?" asked Henry. "All the animals look so sad," said Mario. "They want to be free, not stuck in cages." Henry was surprised. He looked at the tiger in the cage. Mario was right. Henry had never noticed how sad all the animals looked. By the time Henry looked down at his son, Mario was gone. Suddenly, Henry heard a lot of people yelling. Mario then came running proudly. "Don't worry, Dad," he said. "I opened the sad lion's door."